Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Apple Wallet transit cards, travel payment setup step by step clearly. To use Apple Wallet for transit cards, start by ensuring your device is updated to the latest iOS version. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner to add a new card. Select transit cards from the list of available options. Choose your desired transit system from the list or search for it by name. Follow the prompts to add a new transit card. If prompted, sign in with your Apple ID or set up a new Apple ID if you don't have one. Enter the requested payment information if you are adding funds to the card. Confirm the details of your transit card before moving to the next step. Tap Add to complete the setup of your transit card. Once added, you can access your transit card directly from the Wallet app. To make a payment, hold your iPhone near the transit reader. Your device will automatically recognize the transit card and deduct the fare. If you need to add more funds later, open the Wallet app and tap on your transit card. Select Add Funds to transfer the desired amount. Confirm the payment, and your card will be updated. Make sure to check for any available rewards or discounts through your transit card. Always remember to keep your device charged to ensure you can use your transit card when needed. With these steps, you're all set to travel conveniently using Apple Wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.